So you're probably here because you're tired of your internet activity being tracked, throttled, or blocked, and you're looking for a smart, secure, and affordable solution. Well, good news. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of NordVPN and how to grab a steep discount using a verified coupon code that's active right now. No guesswork, no searching around Reddit or coupon sites. Just scroll down, click the link in the description, and you'll land on NordVPN's official offer page with the maximum discount already applied. This isn't some generic deal either. It's the kind of pricing most people miss unless they go through a verified partner link. Now here's what you can expect. NordVPN is one of the most trusted VPNs on the market, with ultra-fast servers in over 110 countries, strong encryption, and powerful privacy tools. Whether you're trying to access geo-restricted content, protect your data on public Wi-Fi, or just browse without being tracked, it gets the job done and it does it well. Let's break down the plans quickly so you can decide what's right for you. The basic plan covers the essentials: fast VPN, full device support, and basic threat protection, great for general use. The Plus plan adds some serious upgrades. Threat Protection Pro, which blocks malware and ads across your entire device, even when you're not using the VPN. You also get NordPass, a password manager with built-in data breach alerts. And then there's the Complete plan, which includes all of the above, plus 1 terabyte of encrypted cloud storage with NordLocker. It's ideal if you want a secure place to store files and access them across devices with full privacy. No matter which plan you go with, you'll get strong security with 0 logs, apps for every platform, desktop, mobile, even routers, 10 device coverage per account, a 30-day money-back guarantee so you can try it out completely risk-free. Once you choose your plan and check out, they accept credit cards, PayPal, and crypto, you'll be up and running in minutes. It's truly a plug-and-play setup. You install the app, log in, and with one tap, you're protected. Need help getting started? There's a full tutorial linked in the description that walks you through setup and explains key features like split tunneling, kill switch, and threat protection. So if you're ready to ditch restrictions, speed up your connection, and browse with peace of mind, now's the time to act. Click the link, grab your discount, and enjoy private, unlimited browsing with NordVPN.